ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 43, Destruction of Trinavarta. त्वामेकदा गुरुमरुत्पुरनाथवोढुं गाढाधिरूढगरिमाणमपारयन्ती माता निधाय शयने किमिदं बतेति ध्यायन्तचेष्टतग्रहेषु निवष्टशङ्का. O Lord of Guruvayur, once thy mother found thee too weighty to hold, and therefore laid thee on a bed. Then, with misgivings in her mind about this strange phenomenon, she engaged herself in household chores, meditating on thee all the while. तावद्विदूरमुपकर्णितघोरघोष व्याजृम्भीपांसु पटलिपरिपूरिताशः वात्यापपुः स किल दैत्यवरस्तृणावर्ताख्यो जहारजनमानसंहारिणं त्वाम्. A demon named Trinavarta, an ally of Kamsa, disguised as a whirlwind whose approach was heralded even from a distance by a terrific noise and gusts of dust covering the quarters, lifted thee who are capable of lifting the minds of all. उधामपांसूतिमिराहतदृष्टिपाते द्रष्टुं किमप्यकुशले पशुपाललोके आबालकस्य किमिति त्वदुपान्तमाप्ता माता भवन्तं विलोक्य भृशं रुरोद. While all the inhabitants of Gokula were caught in blinding darkness caused by clouds of dust and could see nothing round about, thy mother rushed towards thee in utter distress, but not finding thee at the spot, began to weep and wail aloud. तावत्सदानववरोऽपि च दीनमूर्ति भवित्कभारपरिधारणतूनवेगः सङ्कोचमापतदनुक्षतपांसु घोषे व्यतायत भवजननी निनादः. By that time the demon chief had been weakened and gradually immobilized by thy tremendous weight, and the dust and noise in the covered settlement had subsided, allowing thy mother's cries and wailings to be heard far and near. रोदोपकर्णवशादुपगम्य गेहं क्रन्दत्सु नन्दमुखगोपकुलेषु दीनः त्वां दानवस्तव किल मुक्तिकरं मुमुक्षु स्तवय प्रमुञ्जति प्रपातवियत्प्रदेशात्. Hearing these wailings, Nanda and other Gopas rushed inside the house, only to add their cries to those of thy mother. Meanwhile, the demon, being rendered weak and exhausted, attempted to release thee who gives release to all, but thou would not, however, release him from thy hold, and he fell down from the skies. रोदाकुलास्तदनुगोपगणा बहिष्ट पाषाणपृष्ठभुवि देहमतिस्तत्विष्टम् प्रैषन्तहन्तनिपतन्तममुष्य वक्ष सयक्षीणमेव च भवन्तमलं हसन्तम्. The community of Gopas, who were feeling exhausted by weeping and wailing, now saw a huge body falling on a rock outside the covered settlement, and on the chest of that dead body they found thee lying unhurt, with a soft smile playing on thy lips. ग्रावप्रपातपरिपिष्टगरिष्ठदेह भ्रष्टासुदुष्टधनुजोपरि धृष्टमहासम् आन्द्राणममुञ्ज करेण भवन्तमेत्य गोपाददुर्गिरिर्वरादिवनीररक्तम्. As an emerald from a mountain, the Gopas picked thee up, smiling and vigorously exercising thy infant limbs. From the wicked demons a huge carcass, which was found completely smashed by its impact on the rock. एकैकमाशु परिगृह्य निकामनन्दनान्दादि गोपपरीरब्धविचुम्बिताङ्गम् आदातु कामपरिशङ्कितकते गोपनारी हस्ताम्बुजप्रबन्धितं प्रणुमो भवन्तम्. I bow down to thee, whom Nanda and other Gopas embraced and kissed in different parts of the body in their overwhelming joy at thy recovery, and who, like a honey beetle into lotus, did readily spring into the lovely lotus-like arms of each and every one of the gopis, who extended them with a desire to take thee up in them. भूयो अपि किन्नुकुनं महस्प्रणतार्तिहारी गोविन्द एव परिपालयतात सुतं नः इत्यादि मातरपितृप्रमुखैस्तदानीं सम्प्रार्थितस्तवदवनाय विभो त्वमेव. What measures of protection can we take in future? May Govinda, who removes the sorrows of all who surrender to him, protect our child. Thus, O Lord, did thy parents and others pray to thee for thy own protection. वातात्मकं तनुजमेव मयि प्रधुन्वन वातोद्भवान् मम गदान किमूनो दुनोषि किं वा करोमि पुनरप्यनिलालयेश निःशेषरोगशमनं मुहूर्तर्थे त्वाम्. O thou Lord of Guruvayur, thou who did thus destroy the demon who came as wind, why do thou not destroy my ailment born of wind? Having no other resort, I pray to thee again and again for the eradication of all my ailments, internal and external. So the Canto 43 is completed. I'll be back with Canto 44 in the coming week. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.